Okay, Isabel, I'm going to show you one more thing here that you may or may not already know. I'll send you this link, but this is for running our Canadian inventory in Canada. So this is the link that I go to. I'll have to send that over to you. The user code is MADGEAR, M-A-D-D, gear. Password 123456. I can send that to you as well. Log in. From here, it's pretty robust for people that have many SKUs. I go to this Amigo query here, and then we're at Vision. We are signed up under MadGear because that's Mike's company. So that's correct. Then we're going to click here on templates, and we're going to click on Spark Inventory. So it fills in that box. In this next menu here, we can choose the product that we want to look at. So I'm going to look at CoverGrip, hit search, and that's going to tell me the items they have on hand. It looks like these are going to be, I think they have them separated out because it's two different pallets for them. At least that's how I understand it. So we've got one pallet with 1328 on it and one pallet with 132. Looks like there are 18 on order that they're going to pull from this smaller pallet. They'll usually work off the smaller pallet till it's gone. But that is that. If you wanted to run something else, you go do that again, Spark, and then you can choose the brand depending on what we're looking at. Search, and it brings up your different items with what's on hand and then what's on order. So I'll send you those links, and that should be useful as well.